Exercise number 9. Ready? Start. Sir, coming to technical education, I may point out there are many colleges without infrastructure. Several colleges have been running without any facilities. You have to do something so that these colleges acquire the necessary infrastructure. NPE also spoke about the capitation fees charged by these engineering and medical institutions. In the interest of maintaining standards, etc., commercialization of technical education should be curbed. The All India Council of Technical Education has been given this task, but today 8 engineering colleges in Bihar, 27 in Karnataka, 52 in Maharashtra, 22 in Tamil Nadu, and about 5 medical colleges in Karnataka are still collecting high capitation fees. You have promised to bring forward a central bill, but so far it has not been brought. More and more such colleges are proliferating every day. In Maharashtra particularly, there is a mushroom growth of such technical institution. I would like to know whether it is advisable to allow such institutions to come up. The minister should ponder over this. So far, we are having only 5 IITs. They are maintaining good standards. I understand you are going to have the 6th one in Assam. Its progress is very slow. When I went to Assam, the Assam Chief Minister said that only the site has been identified, but no progress has been made. It should be given a fillip. In addition, I suggest one more IIT should be started in Hyderabad because it is a central place easily accessible to many people. The minister need not feel shy about it. It can be had even at Warangal or anything else, but we need one more IIT. Similarly, the number of Indian institutes of management is also very less. Such institutes are only 4 in number. If you can not open an IIT, you open IIM in Hyderabad. That is my specific request to the Honorable Minister. You are financing a number of other organizations. The Indian Council of Social Sciences Research, the Indian Council of Philosophical Research, the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies, Simla, the Indian Council of Historical Research. I know some of them are doing a good work, but I do not know if the money allotment is just sufficient for salaries and maintenance of buildings. Therefore, a review of the allotment and a committee to review the functioning is needed. Full stop.